Good morning. You look so tired. Good morning. Today is Saturday, July 25th. It's Saturday, right? It's Saturday. Today is the big moving day. We have movers. I'm hoping they're already, well, maybe not, because they said, well, we started getting stuff from the townhouse already, and they've already loaded their truck, but they said they're gonna stop by and grab something to eat. Right?
Yeah.
We hired them for like 3 hours, but they started at 9:15. It's already 10:59. So I'm hoping that they are gonna make it to the 3-hour mark and everything's been moved to where they belong, like to whatever rooms, because it's already 10:59. There's a lot of stuff in the truck, but if we've already moved a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Right, Lovey? Like we've already moved a bunch of boxes throughout the week. Like we started Saturday. No. Yeah, we started over the weekend. We started Friday. No, I worked Friday. I lied. We closed Thursday. We started Saturday.
Last Thursday.
Yeah, last Thursday.
Yep.
Last week. And then we started the Saturday of that. After that, Thursday. So Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, because I was off Monday. And then we did some again yesterday, Friday, and then today we loaded our car again. Like we did it all day yesterday. So we've already moved a bunch of stuff. So they only got like the bed, the drawers, the big stuff, and his desk broke. His work desk broke. Look at him. But it's okay because I already told him yesterday I'm gonna get him a flex one.
Sit stand.
A sit stand. Why did I say flex? I don't know. But yeah, so it's 11:01. We got about an hour left. That should work, right?
Maybe.
Because then we have to pay extra, whatever. But yes, whatever. It got bright again. The lighting is really weird here. So, and we got a lot of cleaning to do. So it will be a very long day today and tomorrow, and I'm working Monday. Why didn't we get days off?
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Too busy.
Too busy. Yeah, we can't really get days off. Okay, see you there. We are here. We made it here to the house, but they're not here yet. And time check is 11:19. I don't know why I'm singing. Yeah, see, like we moved the TV, a bunch of stuff. The clothes are here, and the kitchen stuff, the pantry, almost all the kitchen stuff are here. So yeah, we're just waiting. I'm so hungry. I want to eat after this, and then before we move on to our other duties for the day. It is 11:27 and they're not here yet, so I gotta do something. I'm just gonna start putting the liners in the cabinet so that I don't waste time.
Come on.
All the way up against the wall?
Yeah. That's it.
Uh-oh!
Boo boo! It is 12:48 right now, and they finished.
3 hours. 2.5.
Yeah, because like they started right at 9:15 and they finished 12:22. But they had breakfast for like 30 minutes, so it's like 2.5, right?
It's not really 30 minutes. But how long did it take them? 30 minutes to get home, get here? That truck's slow.
Yeah.
Big truck.
Yeah, it's true. So it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool, man. They work hard. It's hot.
Oh yeah, it's really warm. It's really hot outside
They're
right
nice
now.
guys.
They're funny people too.
Yeah.
Very funny guys. And yeah, but I'm so hungry right now. You too, right? Because
Yeah.
we didn't eat breakfast. The moment we
Starving.
woke up, like he got up before me and he was like waking me up because you know we need to undo the bed and stuff. But they actually did it, right? They did it for us.
Yeah, the bed, yeah.
Did I put it together?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool. I thought we have to like do it tonight.
Nope.
Okay, well that's really good then. But we are starving. We are gonna try to find something to eat, which I don't know. Like right now, I'm so hungry that I don't even care. Whatever, just give me food. So
sure.
yeah, and then we have to clean. We have to clean the townhouse. We have to clean this house. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning today and tomorrow. Oh, and I gotta do the laundry too, because you know the sheets and everything. And I'm gonna do it at the townhouse. But let's go try to find something to eat first, because I'm having a headache right now.
Me too. Hello?
Can I help you?
Yeah, could I get a number?
Okay, we got our food.
Diet Coke.
Yeah, that's the first one that we got. But we asked for a sweet tea and Diet Coke. We got the Diet Coke, but the other drinks, I don't even understand what that was. I didn't taste anything.
What's this? What's mine?
Like, there's no taste. So, we got it exchanged for what I really wanted, which is the sweet tea. But let's see if they got it right. Thanks. Got
About to
fries.
fall off.
Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Let's see.
Want some onion ring sauce?
Oh yeah, this is sweet tea. Thanks though.
I hate eating in a car.
Zesty. This is for the onion ring, right? The sauce.
I asked for ketchup, but she walked away.
Oh yeah, he asked for ketchup. Like, we didn't get any ketchup. Like, onion rings. Right here. There's some stuff in the bag. And then we got the sauce for the onion ring, but she didn't give us ketchup for the fries. He asked for some, and she walked away.
I don't think she heard me.
Well, that's pretty loud though. But
Ketchup!
it's like, hey, whatever. We're so hungry, we don't want to wait anymore. He wanted Whopper since yesterday, so I'll let him have it today. We are back here at the townhouse and we are just gonna clean right now. It's loud because David is vacuuming upstairs and I'm gonna vacuum here as well. So, and then we're gonna mop afterwards. Whoa! Look at how much he's got upstairs.
And just, it's not all the rooms.
Yeah, and the vacuum down here.
Wow. That's crazy. Whoa.
Carpet upstairs, that's why it's vacuum there. Now, the next thing that we have to do is this little thing that I did on the wall. Well, David did, but I asked him to do it. So, it's a wallpaper.
It's real brick.
Sure. I'm hoping that it won't take off any paint so that we don't have to do anything with it, or that we don't have to pay. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Well, that side is already coming off, as you could tell. And I didn't bother putting it back on because, well, it won't stay. I tried. But let's do it now. Oh, it's coming off clean.
Good.
Yeah?
You need a ladder?
Maybe for the upper portion. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's coming off clean. It's good. Oh, it's coming off one piece.
Wait, one piece still.
One piece? Can I make it one piece?
All the way, all the way.
Oh!
All the way. Maybe 2 pieces.
Here.
Need help?
Now I want to do it myself.
Is it sticky? The wall sticky?
Huh?
The wall sticky?
No, not at all. It's not sticky.
Oh, good stuff.
Good. Ooh. I thought this was gonna be hard,
Maybe we should have left it.
but... Oh man!
No.
I can't reach that! Oh man.
Oh, we didn't get to cut like a piece right there.
Huh? Wait.
We drove as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should. Oh,
Good. It's off.
Wasn't it?
Oh. How much?
430?
Something. I think they're $430 for the whole wall. Because we used like 6 of them. But something like that. Just take it down. We used it for like, I don't know. It was on there for like a good year, right? It's crying. It's like $430 going to the trash now. I threw it. It's good. We don't have to do anything with the walls.
Wall's
Keep
clean.
off clean. So it's a good wallpaper if you want to do it. Get that one. Like, it's from Home Depot,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, they got good wallpaper. The sticky type comes off clean. Hey, we are back at the townhouse, and what did we do? We
Walmart?
Oh yeah, but before that we had some rest because we were so tired. And then he's so funny when he fell asleep, and then oh, his phone rang, and then he woke up and he looked so confused. I said, you look like a post anesthesia patient, like a patient just waking up. He's so cute. He's like, what? I said, it's okay. And he still looked so confused, like, what? Where? What to do?
We're streaming.
And it was just because of his phone rang. But we're just eating leftovers. We're back at the townhouse and we went to Walmart, did some grocery shopping. What else? Oh, I'm just washing the bed sheet that I bought today. And we're just having leftovers for dinner. And we're eating standing right now because we don't have no some leftover adobo, fish from last night, different kind of rice, white rice, beans with rice, carbs and carbs, fries and rice. All good, yo. And we just have some last
Some remaining items.
batch of items to pack, and I'm hoping that tomorrow is just gonna be cleaning, right?
Hope so.
Hope so too.
I can't do anymore.
Tired. Okay, let's eat. We're done with dinner. Look at what he found at Walmart. Like Krispy Kreme donut bites, and it says limited time strawberry flavored one. But the stuff inside is tiny. They come individually packed though. Well, there's 4 in a pack, but it's small. Like, doo-doo. Did you like it?
No.
No.
It's not fresh tasting. Right? It's not soggy.
Yeah. It's all right.
It's okay.
This is our treat for tonight, for the day, for all the hard work. Is what you get.
You made a cooler.
Hey, so I've already transferred most of my clothes, but I still got some left here. And the way I transferred them, I didn't even take them off the hangers. I just put them in a clean trash bag. I bagged them like this. And then this is how I transfer them. And then when we get to the other house later, I will just take them out of the trash bag and then hang them like so. Saves time. Okay, it's 11:25. I took a shower here, and we are gonna take food in the fridge. And surprisingly, I thought we don't have much clothes left, but more bags. Dun, dun, dun. Of course, and more over there. There's one outside. 9 more bags of clothes. I have ointment here. I have a big pimple coming out. Probably because of all this moving and stuff, you know. So I'm just gonna close the vlog here, and we're gonna go back to the new house now, and that's where we're gonna sleep tonight. So we are so tired, and good night, and see you again. Thank you. Bye.